So in this video, if you have never made your first money on Clickbank, be sure to watch this video step by step to the end, because I'm going to show you a very simple method that you can go and use and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank and other different affiliate networks. And this is a brand new strategy, and you want to earn money just like this using 100% free traffic. What I'm going to show you in this particular video, you don't need to spend any money to go and make money. I'm going to show you exactly step by step what to do. I'm going to show you how to choose a good product to go and promote. I'm going to show you a simple strategy that many people are not using. You can go and use it as well and promote your offer for 100% free without having to spend any money at all. And you can get traffic very fast if you are going to follow step by step exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. You're going to get a lot of targeted free traffic, and this is also a brand new method that many people are not taking advantage of. So if you are going to get in early, watch the video to the end and actually implement what I'm going to show you in this video, you are also going to make money. Because what I'm going to show you guys in this video is you're going to be doing what other people are not doing to go and make money. And it's a simple method that I discovered, and I'm also using this simple strategy right here to go and promote my affiliate offers for free, and many people are not using this. And when you're going to use this particular strategy, you're not going to have any competition. So there's very low competition using this particular strategy, because many people don't want to go and take advantage of this. And I'm going to show you step by step, so watch till the end. Take action, because if you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results. But if you're going to take action, you are going to see results after watching this particular video right here. So let me show you step by step what to do from here. So be sure to pay very close attention, watch till the end, and do exactly what I'm going to show you in this video right here. So the first step from here is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. For example, on Digital24, you can go to Digital24, you can go to Clickbank. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and choose an offer that is not in English. So you're going to go and choose a foreign offer to go and promote. So let me show you guys an example here on Digital24, and I'm also going to show you guys an example on using the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. If you go, for example, to Digital24, you're going to see a lot of different offers from here. You can see from here, for this example, is sorted by language English. What you're going to do is you're going to go and look for offers in other languages, and I'm going to show you how to go and create content in those different languages and promote it for free and get a lot of traffic, because many people are only promoting affiliate offers in English. And if you're going to go and use this strategy from here, you're going to have less to no competition, and you can go and promote these offers 100% free and get sales. So you go, for example, to Digital24, you go right here to languages. You're going to see that there's a lot of offers right here in different languages. You can see, for example, German, English, Spanish, etc. You can go and choose any of these different languages from here, and you can use it to go and promote your affiliate offer. And you're going to be using Google Translate to do this. So let me show you guys an example. If I click, for example, on French, you're going to see a lot of different offers here that you can go and promote that are all in French. So you can see, for example, this one right here, like clean. You can see from here, it's a health offers from here. You can see this one, Lava Slim. These are weight loss offers that you can go and promote in French and make money. And many people are not doing this because everyone is trying to promote the offers in English. So let me show you. This is an example that you can go and promote right here, and these are other examples that you can go and promote right here. Get the offers in French. So let me show you guys an example on Clickbank. So you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can see from here, most of these offers are all English offers. So that's what everyone else is promoting. But if you go, for example, let's click, for example, on health. So let's go right here. Let's go right into the health section. Click, for example, health and fitness. And we're going to go into the health category. And you're going to see a lot of offers from here. So what you're going to do from here, once I've clicked, for example, in the health category or any other category, you're going to go and click on languages. So you're going to click on this drop down, and you're going to see offers that are available in those different languages. So for example, I'm just going to choose, for example, French, because it's the easiest one to go and translate to. So I'm just going to go and click, for example, on French. And that's this guy is going to go and filter offers that are being sold in French. So you can see, for example, right here, the custom catered diet is an offer that's been converting on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace for more than 3 years right now. So this offer actually sells very well, has been selling on Clickbank. You can see from here, since 2019, and this offer right here is being converted. You can also sell this offer in French. You can see from here it's in English, Spanish, and also French. So you can go, for example, to affiliate sales page, check more information about this offer. It is a weight loss offer, and I like to promote weight loss offers because they tend to convert very well because everybody is trying to lose weight. So let's go to affiliate support page. So from here you can just input any email from here. For example, I'm just going to click on this to go to the affiliate tools area. So you can see from here, this is the English tools area, and these are the affiliate links right here. But you want to go and promote this offer right here, for example, in Spanish, just click on Spanish. It's going to take you to a Spanish affiliate tools area. You can see from here, it's going to show you in Spanish. But if I go back right here, click, for example, on French, it's going to show you the French version. And you can just go and click, for example, if you don't understand French well, you can just click on this English translates, and you can just go and read this right here in English right here. So just click, for example, so you can see from here, you can see the pixels, tracking, etc. You click on create your partner links. This is where you're going to go and change right here. You're going to change this XXX, and you're going to input your Clickbank affiliate link, and this is going to be sold in French. And I'm going to show you how to go and create contents and promote this offer in French, and you're not going to get a lot of competition because many people are not doing this. If you want to go and make money with this method I'm showing you guys in this video, as I show you guys, you're going to go and do what others are not willing to do, and that's where you're going to be ahead of the competition, and that's where you can go and make money. So I'm going to show you examples of people that are doing this exact method. I'm also going to show you exactly what to do. So let me show you exactly what to do from here. So the first step we are going to do from here is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, either on Digital24 or on Clickbank. You're going to go and look for your offer, and you're going to go and get your link. So for example, this is your link. You're going to go and copy this link, and you're going to change here this XXX to your affiliate Clickbank affiliate ID. Once you have copied, the next step is you're going to go and create a landing page, and to go and do that, we are going to go and use Linktree. You're going to sign up for Linktree. It is 100% free, and it's going to link you back from the different traffic websites that I'm going to show you back to your affiliate offer. And the next software that you're going to need is going to be Google Translate, because it's going to help you to translate all these text to different languages. So you're not going to be doing a lot of translation. You just have to do some simple basic translation. You just copy and paste. You don't have to go and do any hard work with this exact method from here. For example, you want to see, for example, click on the link. For example, if you go to Linktree and input your link, and you want to write, for example, click on the link to learn more. You can just come to Google Translate, and you can just go and type the language. For example, just say for example it's English. Let's say from English to, let's say, French, and as you can just have, for example, click on the link, that is it. You're just going to go and copy this. You're going to go back to Linktree, and that is what you're going to go and use this. So it's very easy because you don't have to go and do any work. You can just use Google Translate, and it is 100% free. So the type of contents that you're going to use to go and promote this offers right here is by using videos, and you're going to be using these videos by posting them either on TikTok or on Instagram. But I recommend that you go and use Instagram because you can actually get a lot more sales on Instagram. So let me show you examples. Let me show you guys an example account that is doing this exact method right here. So you can see from here, if I go right here to for example, to Instagram. So this one example account. So I see, for example, this account, I can see Monsieur Miracle. So this is a French account that is posting before and after weight loss videos that has been created in English, and they have just translated them to French to promote French related products. So for example, if I scroll right here, you can see right here, these are different videos that are posted. You can see right, these are different videos that are posted, and these videos right here are previously in English, and they have just translated this to French, and they are posted back on their Instagram account to go and attract the French audience. So I see these are different videos from here. So these are all English videos. So you can see, for example, this one right here, these are English videos. So you can go, for example, to Instagram and type, for example, before and after weight loss or weight loss transformation. You're going to find a lot of different weight loss accounts right here, and most of these weight loss accounts are all in English. You can go, for example, to Pinterest as well. You're going to find a ton of these different videos from here, and all you have to do is download the video. You're going to change, for example, it says, for example, January 2024. You're going to change that to French, and you're going to go and post it to attract the French audience. And if you're going to promoting, for example, a Spanish product, you're going to still translate it to Spanish to use it to promote Spanish products. So it's a very simple concept that many people are not doing, and you can go and do that. And I'm going to show you how to go and do that 100% free using a free software. So you can see these are different videos from here that you can just go and download, and these are all before and after weight loss videos, and these tend to sell a lot of weight loss products. So let me show you guys, for example, if you go to Pinterest, you're going to find a lot of other videos as well. You can see, for example, let's type, for example, weight loss videos. You're going to find a lot of weight loss, for example, before and after weight loss videos, and you're going to see that almost 100% of all these videos are in English. So many people that are posting these videos are looking for English audience, but there's also French, Spanish, Portuguese audience as well on these different platforms that many people are not promoting these offers to them. So if you can go and translate this and promote offers to this new audience, for example, French audience, you're going to get a lot of traffic and make a lot of sales, because you're not going to have a lot of competition, because almost everyone is promoting these offers in English. So for example, let's click, for example, on this one. You can see this is a before and after weight loss video right here on Pinterest. What you're going to do is you're going to go and download these videos right here. So you can see from here, this is the video and it's in English. So you can just go and change, for example, this caption from here. Anyone that is in English or in another language, you can just go and just translate it. So let me show you an example of free software that you can go and use this to do. So there's a lot of other free softwares like CapCut, etc. that you can go and use. So for example, let me say I want to download this video. Let me just copy the URL, and I can just go to Google and type, for example, let me say Pinterest downloader, Pinterest, for example, downloader. And that's it. You're going to find a lot of free softwares from here. So let me just click on this one. So you want to do that as well with Instagram. There's a lot of free softwares that you can go and use and download the video. So let me just paste this right here and just click on download. And that's it. We're going to go and change this video to promote our offers in French instead of only promoting this offer in English. So let me just click on download, and that's it. The video has been downloaded. So let me just wait for this to load. And that's it. I'm just right here on download, and that's it. We are done. So what you're going to do next, you're going to go to, for example, to CapCut or any other editing software that you have, and you're going to go and edit that video and change, for example, these captions to French. So let me show you guys an example software that you can go and do this for free. So you can go and edit this, for example, on Canva, on CapCut, on a lot of different editing softwares. For this example, I'm just going to show you right here. This website is called Clickbank. So you can go and edit videos online. So it's 100% free. There's also a paid method. There's also a paid option as well. So I recommend you should go and use, for example, CapCut and other video editors, because it's a lot more easier. And you can also go and edit this as well using the Instagram app or the Pinterest app as well. So from here, for this example, I'm just going to drag and drop our video from here. And that's it. So you can see from here, our video has already been imported in this example software right here. So what you want to do, you want to go and change, for example, this caption from here to any other language. What you can do from here is that you can just go and click on text. So let me zoom this a little. So I click, for example, on text. It's going to give me options to go and add text from here. You can see there's a lot of different options from here. For this example, I'm just going to go and choose, for example, this white, and that's it. You can just go and edit this. You can go and do this same in similar software. So let me have, for example, watch me lose 120 pounds. I can just go to Google Translate and go and translate from here English to French. For example, watch me lose 120 pounds. And that's it, guys. You can see it's very easy. So and that's it, guys. So what you can do from here is that you can just go and copy this. So let me just make this 2. Then just copy this right here, just copy this, and all you're going to do is you're going to go back to your editing software. You're going to go and paste it right here. Let me just paste. I can see how it's going to look like, so let me just change this right here to pounds, and that is it, guys. So you can see it's actually very easy. You can just go and change this. For example, let me just go and do like this. You can see right here it's very easy. I can just go and cover this one right here, and as you guys can see, our video is already done. I can see from here the length of that you want the text to be, so I can just drag this right here to the end of the video, and that is it, guys. It's very easy. So if I click on this, for example, click on this, so you can see that our video is going to play like normal, but now we are going to have our writings all in French, and this is going to be targeting our French audience. So what you're going to do from here is you can just go and click on export on any software that you're going to be using for this method, and you can just go and do that with a lot of videos by just using Google Translate. In 2 seconds you can just go and edit these videos right here and download and post it on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, promoting offers in foreign languages, and you're not going to have less to no competition because many people are not using this exact strategy right here to go and promote their own these affiliate offers on Clickbank, Store24, etc. So I'll show you guys from here. It's very easy. You can go to Instagram, you're going to find a lot of videos just like this one, a lot of accounts just like this one. You're just going to go and get the videos, download the videos either on Instagram, Pinterest, etc. You can go and change them right here. Just change everything. You want to go and change any of this, just go to Google Translate, choose the language and just translate it, take it and edit on your software and post it, and you're going to be targeting completely different audience. So you want to go and do anything, for example, just say you want to go and write your description, you can also do the same thing. So let's say, for example, that you can see this one right here, this in English. Let's say, for example, that you want to write for example, your bio just like this. You don't have to go and stress as well. You can just go and copy, or you can just go and write right here in English as an example, and that's, guys, in 2 seconds it's going to be translated to another language, so you don't have to go and know that language to be able to promote offers in that language. So there's a lot of advanced translating tools like Google Translate that is going to help you to go and promote offers in different languages without you having to know their language. So if you're going to take action on this method right here, you can go and get traffic and make a lot of money because you are not going to have a lot of competition. So let's say, for example, that I was promoting my offer right here, for example, in Spanish. You're just going to go and change right here the translation language to, for example, to Spanish. So Spanish, that is going to be Espanol, that's the language, and as you see, it's already done. And you're going to go and write your, for example, your bio similar to this one. You're going to input your Linktree link from here, and that is going to be linking people back to your offer in a foreign language without you having to go and learn the language at all. Because these are before and after weight loss videos, it doesn't need any explanation because you don't have to explain anything in the video. When people see before and after weight loss, they know that someone was fat before and now they have lost weight. And that's it, guys. You can go and use this and promote a lot of foreign offers and make money right here. It is 100% free. So that's it. If you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting more videos just like this one that can help you guys to make money on Clickbank and on different platforms using free and paid traffic methods. So that's it. Take action on this method and start making some money today. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next video.